How to fix QR code problem on Instagram app. To fix QR code problem on Instagram app, you could check if your camera lenses is clean. Ensure you are holding your phone at the right distance from the QR code. You could also try verifying that the QR code itself is clear, not too pixelated, and make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. If not, head over to your Play Store and on the search box type in Instagram. Here you could see whether the app needs to be updated or not. Sometimes temporary glitch can be fixed with an update, so try logging in and see whether the issue has been fixed or not. If the issue persists on, you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. So go to the app info, or you could just long press the application, click the I button from the top, and then you want to go to storage and cache and make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data, so leave it as it is. Now while you're on the same page or in the app info section, you could also go to permission and make sure that you enable camera or that you've allowed camera as well. By doing this, you'll be able to fix the issue. If nothing seems to be working out, you could also try testing on another device. You could try scanning the same QR code with a different phone to see if the issue lies with the QR code itself or whether it's the device. If it seems to be with the device, then you could try restarting, and that can be able to fix it as well. In some cases, it might be the status as well, so you could also make sure or verify the Instagram is not experiencing any widespread issues by checking a service like down detector, all that. Despite of doing all of these, you're still unable to fix it, then you could contact the support team. For that, you could actually go ahead and log in and click the profile at the bottom right, click the gear icon from the top right hand side corner. Then you could actually go ahead and select help, or you could go to help at the bottom of the page and you could go ahead and click on report a problem, and you could actually go ahead and follow this on-screen instructions and submit a report stating that you're having issue with the QR code. So that will be able to fix the issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.